Hey guys, big news, heat pump rebates are back. If you're on oil, electricity, or propane, you qualify for $12.50 per ton. Natural gas customers qualify for $500 per ton. For example, if you're on electricity, if you're on propane, or if you're on oil heating, you qualify for $31.25 back from this one. You qualify $37.50 back from this one. This is a 5-ton Carrier Infinity. You qualify for $62.50 back from this one. For a short time till the end of June, there's also Carrier Cool Cash rebates on a full Infinity system. That's a rebate back directly from Carrier. Limited stock, quick installs. Let's make it happen.